Do you find yourself easily choosing a money goal, or are you more likely to slide into money drama, even thinking about a money goal? Not to worry. Stay tuned to find out 4 secrets to eliminating drama from choosing a money goal, freeing you to achieve that goal that you want. I'm Kendall, and I'm going to share with you how creating money drama around choosing a money goal is not necessary and what you can do to eliminate it today in this episode of the Money Coach School podcast.
Welcome to the Money Coach School podcast. To really excel at coaching women, you have to be skilled, confident, and even fearless at money coaching. If you're passionate about women holding genuine money power and love supporting women entrepreneurs, then this is the show for you. Now here's your host, money feminist Kendall Summerhawk.
Hello, coaches, and welcome back. I am so happy to share space with you here today, talking about money and money coaching. So as I mentioned in the previous episode, my goal with these first episodes is to tackle several of the most common challenges women have with their relationship with money and to give you specific, actionable steps that you can take to first solve for this yourself and then solve for it with the women that you're coaching. So today we are talking about money goals because this is one area where I see so many women in coaching have this love-hate relationship. You know you're supposed to have a money goal. You want a money goal, but thinking about it puts you into turmoil. It puts you into churning and self-doubt and questioning. So then you think, well, just forget it. Maybe later, right? Creating your money goal does not have to be this kind of a fraught experience. I think it becomes that because choosing a number feels hard or feels limiting. And for sure, choosing a number can trigger all these feelings of worthiness, enoughness, deserving. When in your heart of hearts, it's really very simple. You want to make an abundance of money. You want to make it to do good with it. You want to feel good about who you are as a woman making an abundance of money. You want to drop feeling guilty for wanting it. You want to drop feeling shame for having it. You want to feel that it is entirely possible for you to create, have, keep, and feel good about money. It's really as simple as that. So I decided to talk about money goals here today to support you in dropping the drama. Today, I'm giving you 4 secrets you can use to drop money struggle so that you can choose your money goal minus the drama. Because the thing is this, when you don't have clarity about your money goal, you're going to wing it and make choices that come from a winging it energy. And a lot of those choices, they don't produce money. They just eat up your time. Compared to when you have clarity about your money goal, you're going to make choices that actively produce money. You're going to choose to do things this year that set the stage for you making an abundance of money, like choosing to coach women entrepreneurs, which is what we are all about here at the Money Coach School. So let's dive into these 4 simple secrets you can take to drop money drama around choosing your money goal. In a different podcast episode, we'll talk about how to choose your specific money goal number. For today, it's all about dropping the drama. All right, secret number 1. Elevate what you think is possible. Let me just say, that amount that you imagine making, guess what? It's possible for you. It comes down to one simple truth. You can make as much money as you want. You need to do the work, but you don't need to wait. You need to get skill building, but you don't need to wait. You need to decide, but you don't need permission. But here's what you don't want to do. Don't ask your friends what your money goal should be. Don't ask your family what your money goal should be. Don't ask the people who aren't making what you want to make, what is possible for you. They can only come from their own frame of reference. They'll come from an amount that represents the most they have ever made. They'll come from an amount that they think is okay for you to make. Asking someone else is just opening yourself up to their thoughts, their feelings, their beliefs, their triggers. You get to elevate you, and you get to choose a money goal that is what you want. Okay? So that's secret number 1. Secret number 2, don't bring your past with you. Saying I haven't done it before, so I don't know if I can, it's normal, it's understandable, but you know what? It's ridiculous. The past has no bearing on what you can do now. The past is not a predictor of what is possible for you now. Don't put your past into your future. Your past is your past. Leave it there. Leave it in the past and create a new future right now. I became a self-made millionaire from coaching women entrepreneurs. I didn't say, well, I haven't done it before and then stop. I said, I want to do that and let's go. I started from a standing start. I figured it out. And then after achieving a 7-figure annual income and coaching hundreds of women entrepreneurs in my various coaching programs, I started certifying coaches in our certified coach trainings so that they too could put the power of making money into their hands. So instead of saying, I haven't done it before, so I don't know if I can, I want you to say, I haven't done it before, so I'm going to learn how now. I'm going to make decisions that align with that amount now. I'm going to channel all of my energy and focus and desire and time on creating this money for myself now. I'm going to be all in for myself now. I love that. I'm going to be all in for myself now. When you stop bringing the past with you, it's like you free yourself from all this emotional and energetic weight that's been holding you back. When you think, believe, and do money from the perspective of where you want to be from your future self, you will create results for yourself that have been previously unimaginable. You're elevating what you think is possible and supporting yourself by not letting the past define you. Which brings me to secret number 3. Choose to have money. We're a society that focuses on, quote unquote, making it. You'll hear somebody say, well, she made it or they made it. And we're also a society that focuses on spending money. But no one talks about, and what no one teaches you is how to have money, how to create wealth, how to create an unbreakable nest egg. So you see women making great money, but they're broke. I mean, really, what's the point of that? I'm a money maverick because I'm obsessed with creating a world where women have money, where you have money, where having money breaks all the rules society has about women, because that's what it does. Women having money gives women power. I'm obsessed with teaching you how to make money, how to step into your power with money, and how to have money, because this is the most maverick thing you can do as a woman. So I have one of my favorite money coaching exercises for you today. And this money coaching exercise is really, really simple. And it's going to get you to start shifting your self-concept into being a woman who has an abundance of money. Shifting your self-concept into being a woman who isn't scrambling or worried about money. Shifting your self-concept into being a woman who accepts that who she is a woman with money, and who is getting more and more comfortable and accepting of that every single day. So here's the exercise. First, what is the most amount of money that you can imagine having, like in your bank account cash? I want you to write that down. And now I want you to add a 0 to the end of it. All right. So you just magnified it, right? 100 times. So what does it feel like to have that amount? What are you afraid of if you have that amount? Where do you get uncomfortable if you have that amount? What expands for you if you have that amount? What does it say about you to have that amount? So understand that having that amount doesn't make you greedy or selfish or bad or a yucky person in any way. And that's because money magnifies your basic values and characteristics. Money magnifies this. The money doesn't change you. People don't change when they have money. Money just magnifies your basic values and characteristics. So all the good things that are already in you get to be magnified, get to be amplified as you have more money. Now, in our last episode, we talked about bankable beliefs. I want to give you another bankable belief. So you're going to want to write this down and add it to the list that I'm sharing with you. Here it is. Creating money is a process of you fulfilling your purpose at the highest level. Creating money is a process of you identifying and stripping off all of the old wounds of who you were told you can't be. Creating money is you giving the world incredible value and pouring into your purpose. Creating money is a process of you being all in on you. All right, secret number 4, become unavailable for what you don't want. So when thoughts come up, you have the power to focus on what you want to think about instead. Yes, things are going to happen. New clients say yes, and then they back out. Groups fill with 3 people instead of 12. Some months are low, some are high. Or 5 sales conversations in a row don't convert. But you know what? These are just drop of water in the ocean experiences that don't mean that you're not on track to create and achieve your money goal. You can have a low month and still reach your money goal. You can have a small group and still reach your money goal. You can have less viewers and still reach your money goal. And you don't need to use any of those experiences to create feelings of not enoughness or unworthiness. So stop questioning every day. Stop looking for what's wrong or not working. It's taking up time and energy and mental space and emotions that have nothing to do with your money goal. You switch your thoughts in that moment. You start saying to yourself, I am capable now. This is possible for me now. I am fully capable of a $10,000 client or 20K months or whatever it is for you. You start saying to yourself, I can allow it to be easy now. I can allow it to happen quickly now. I am open and willing to learn and grow as I elevate. Nothing stops me. When you waver, you create doubt, confusion, and what I call energetic skepticism. And what you want to do instead is to switch from wavering and wobbliness into becoming her, your future self. She is your future self making money. She has the answers. She has the wisdom. She has the self-confidence. She has the experience. Your job right now is to become her and think, believe, feel, and see through her eyes, through her lens, through her perspective. What this does for you is you shift into actions that begin to calibrate with your money goal. You're calibrating towards what you want. You're staying faithful to what you want. You're taking action towards what you want. You're allowing yourself to be a student, to be a learner in the art and skill of money coaching other women. You're not trying to avoid feeling wobbliness or doubt or confusion. Those feelings are going to come up. You're human. That's what happens. But you don't have to keep feeling them. You have a choice. They come up and you switch out of them. They come up and you switch out of them. And this is next level self-growth. This is next level activation of your new empowered self-concept. It's building the skill of training your brain and the ability to shift into new thoughts every time that you want. So to release any money drama related to choosing your money goal, you, number 1, elevate what you think is possible. Number 2, don't bring your past with you. Leave it in the past. Number 3, choose to have money. And number 4, become unavailable for what you don't want. All right. I hope you found this episode today impactful. Grab your journal and a cup of something yummy and answer the self-coaching money questions that I gave you here today. This is such an important step in your money reinvention. So don't skip it. It's important. It matters. Be sure to tune in for our next episode together and stick around another moment because I have a special announcement coming right up for you in celebration of the launch of this podcast, and you definitely don't want to miss it. To celebrate the launch of the Money Coach School podcast, I'm giving away 100 prizes for 100 reviews to the lucky listeners who follow, rate, and review the show. And of course, I would love your review to be 5 stars. Your review supports women just like you in discovering all of the juicy tips and insights on how to coach women on money that I'm sharing here in the show. Grand prizes include valuable gift cards, gorgeous journals, and yummy mugs. Additional prizes include digital gratitude journals, digital planners, and more. We're giving away 100 prizes. So go to themoneycoachschoolpodcast.com/share to enter to win. Be quick, though. You don't have long to review and enter the contest. And I'll be announcing the grand prize winners in an upcoming episode. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode of the Money Coach School podcast. If you want to learn how to excel at coaching women on money, definitely go to KendallSummerhawk.com and check out the wealth of money coach trainings we have available for you. Thanks so much for being part of this money coaching movement and for tuning into the show every week.